welcome back to Folger Advent Crew. My name is Voss, and we are at Bright Church hanging out at the Christmas lights show. We have all kinds of things out here, whole Bethlehem village, food, lights, Santa, off-road rigs, which we are part of, that light show, and a lot much more. It was a great 3 days here. Today's the last night we're out here. And I did a post a couple weeks ago on the social media that we'll be out here, and there's some people showed up and saw the crew, met us, and seen the rigs while we were out here. So I'm just gonna show you around what it looks like during the prep of the event a little bit here and there, and then of what was out here, what kind of things you could have seen if you would come over here and looked at this whole place. So next year we'll be doing the exact same thing. This is the biggest event our church puts on out here every year. So, and it's getting bigger and bigger with every year. So stay tuned. It's going to be a little bit of a cool montage. It's really loud out here, so just stay tuned and enjoy. We got all kinds of prep going on. Today, for the last day, we have a play stage for everything. So that's a big old open theater. And in this corner we have the off-road rigs. This year the theme is off-road Santa. So we have the green turtle reindeers and the crew chief. They're winching up to the arches. This is where the music is going to play later on. But here's the setup of the crew chief. And this is Santa's sleigh right around here. We're gonna have a live Santa inside there taking pictures with the kids, and we got the reins for the reindeers. And then just our friends brought their Jeeps out to display everything. So we're just setting up all the lights and getting everything ready. Tanya's Jeep is our own little kitchen. So we got 3 fire pits, and tonight we have the canopies because, as you can see, the sky is dark and it's been raining on and off today. So we'll see how things are gonna go tonight. All right, we'll show you more around when the whole light show begins. Today's gonna be the colder night, and it's a rainy day, so it's gonna be probably a lot less people than it was on Saturday. Friday was quite a bit of people. Saturday was a lot of people. So today, Sunday, should be a lot less people. We'll see how things are gonna go.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in a fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. shining in the east, beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both day and night. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
What's up? You got James and Mark here from the Four-Wheel Drive Adventure Crew, and we are here at the Bright Russian Baptist Church here in Sacramento, and we're reporting live. We're going to show you that this is the first Christmas celebration here at church.
So what we have is welcome to the first Christmas. We have guards.
Princess a smile.
So we're walking through here, and we're coming up on the coolest thing that we've seen so far. And what that is, check this out.
She'll have to have a step just to see it.
Well, we try to level it out as easy as we can, so.
That will conclude some of our tour of this wonderful event over here. This was really a lot of fun.
Awesome.
Are you having a good time?
I am.
Wonderful.
Meeting fans over here too. So.
Yeah,
Where are you guys
amazing.
from?
we're from Yuba City.
Awesome. Thanks for watching.
Every time.
Our cool Santa, or in Russian, Ded Moroz. So he has a cool sleigh with snow tracks. A bunch of Christmas lights everywhere. And we got this huge light bars to light them up. Right. Well, it's been an amazing couple days out here at Bright Church doing the Christmas lights for the church and being the off-road scenery here and showing our Jeeps off and our Santa on the awesome winter sleigh. So thanks for those who came by and saw this place, and we'll be back here next year for the exact same event. So hope you guys liked the little montage of everything that you could see here. It was an amazing time, so thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next adventure.